Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pionex application on your mobile device. If you want to get the Pionex application, download it on your mobile device, whether it is an iOS device or an Android device, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And after you are done, open up your App Store for your iOS device or your Play Store for your Android device. Once you open up your App Store or your Play Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Pionex and then tap the search button at the lower right. Once you find this Pionex by BTC and Ethereum application, simply tap on the Get button in order to begin the downloading process. After a while, you'll be able to get the app downloaded right on your mobile devices. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange application, which is a great platform for traders that are just getting started with the trading bots. That is how you can easily download Pionex application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and press the notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.